Okay, welcome to the next tutorial. So now we are going to convert this our presentation into video. Okay, if you have, as I said earlier, if you have enough content here, you can use this as a slideshow on the platform, and the student can just be scrolling and then be reading. But it's good you make it in video format. So after you've prepared your lessons in PowerPoint, there's a record function in PowerPoint already. So you just click on it and you start your recording. So if you are having issues using or creating uh, content with PowerPoint, you can just watch a lot of videos on YouTube how you can prepare content on YouTube. But this is very simple. It's very easy, not that difficult. Just drag and drop. You go to blank presentation, type your name and the title and subtitle. You can choose a designer and then start adding images and all those things. So if you're having difficulty, you can watch a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to make PowerPoint presentation. Within 30 minutes, 1 hour, you grab everything. It's not difficult. Okay, so now let's record our video. So you can see that when you click on the record, it takes us to this page, and these are our slides. And you can see the buttons here, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. So this is what we will use to go to the next slide when we are finished. Also, you can see that we have the the buttons here, or let's say the editing buttons where we can use and then write, or you can use and interact on the screen. It's just like a pen. Okay, so I made a recording area, that's why. But if not, you see that this is a red button, and this is what we will use to start the video. And then this is the camera. If you want the system to capture you alongside the presentation, you just on your camera and then you select it. Okay, and this your microphone is you should be on. Okay, so when you are ready to record, you just click on this red button here. It's not red here because I've already made a recording of this area testing it, so that's why. So you just click here and then retake video on all slides. So you see the red button here. So 1, 2, 3, then start. So once you start recording, you just introduce yourself. Oh, hello, my name is so and so. I'm going to take you through integrated science, and the topic for today is the heart. You understand? You can see the timing here reading. So the heart is the integral part of the body. It pumps blood to all the part of the body and all those things. It has a lot of functions. Without the heart will not exist today. You can talk a lot of it out, and then when you are done, you go to the next slide. And then so what are the parts of the heart? We have the vena cavity, vena cava, aorta. So you can just use the pen, choose a color, and then if you want to do anything, you see, if you want to highlight this, if you want to write, you can use this, select the color you want. Okay, this is the painting and this is the pen. Okay, okay, I've not used. Uh-huh. You can see, okay, this is the highlight, the pointer. So this is the pointer to point things on the screen for the students. This eraser you can use to clear what you wrote. And I think this is the pen that you can use to write. Okay, you can write on the screen. And this is the selector when you can use to maybe highlight something here. Okay, so maybe if you are talking about the aorta, you are talking about the left ventricle, or if you want to write something about it, or you want to point it, you write something about it, you just click on the pen, select the color you want, and then you can just write something, anything you want. Okay, so it's very easy. When you are done, you go to the next slide, you talk about it. If you want to highlight a text, you can just pick a color and then maybe you want them to take note as you are speaking about the vernacular, you want them to take note of the key point. Sorry, let me clear this. You want them to take note of the key points, maybe the organs to hearts. Yes. So you can highlight it for them to know. Mhm. As you are doing this, you are explaining, you are talking, you are interacting. Mhm. Okay, this is just a practical. I'm just I'm just guiding you on how you can do it. Yes, it's self-explanatory. Okay, so when you are done, so this will be the end of our lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to look about maybe the left atrium. Okay, then you can pause, go do what you are doing, and come back and resume, and then you stop it. Once you stop it, you have to save it. It's very important. You use the export function. Click on export. Then the title of the file will be here, the heart. The heart will be lesson one. Name it. And I want you to do something. Make sure you have a project folder on your desktop on your phone. Create a folder, lesson tutorials. Okay, and then make sure you save all your files in that folder to avoid confusion. So the title, you browse where you want to save it. I want to save it into documents. I click on export, and then it's exporting. Once it's done, you can we can we can preview it. Okay, so it's very simple. First, you prepare lessons in PowerPoint in slideshow format. Then you use the record function on the PowerPoint. And then you can use the pen, the highlight, and the eraser to interact on the screen. You can also show your face. The student can see you explaining and everything. So once you finish recording, you just use the export function to save the video you've made. Okay, so it's simple as that. Okay, so let me pause. Okay, so it has finished downloading, exporting, so you can find it where you saved and you can play it and check. So this is how it is. So once it's not recorded, just introduce yourself. Hello, my name is so and so. This is the arts. You have the vena cavity, and then cavity, vena cava color you want. Okay, this is the painting. This is the pen. Okay, find things on the screen for the students. This eraser you can use to clear what you wrote. And I think this is the pen that you can use to write. Okay, you can write on the screen. And this is the selector that you can use to maybe highlight something here. Okay, so maybe if so you can see that the student are not seeing the actions of you selecting the pointer and everything. Okay, so this is just an example, and then you can take it from here. So you see it's video, and then it's just guiding you, yeah, how you can do everything is working fine. So if you have any questions, you can send me a message on WhatsApp or in the website, and I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you.